Cerberus seems pretty down in the mouths.
Come on, Robin, don't pity him. It just makes him feel worse. Leave him alone already.
Can you hear me, Nami Sweet? Hello? Where are you, my feisty truffle? Nami!
I'm all turned around. It's like a maze full of creepy. Hey, wait up!
Okay, Nami! When I say sweetie, you say here! Sweetie!
I got a good sense of direction, but I can barely tell my strong right from my coup de boo around here.
With so much fog everywhere, for all that we know, we might be going in circles.
Hey, Nami!
We would have had better luck if old Moss had just stayed on the boat.
How is this my fault?
A tree with some geezer's face is totally getting drunk with a beat-up unicorn!
Just leave me alone already, you crazy kid!
I'm making a wish on you whether you like it or not!
Come, come!
Strong! Look at what I got!
Please, just let me go! No, stop shaking me!
Hey, Luffy, what do you want to do with these guys?
Don't tell me.
They're so cool! How about you join my pirate crew?
Overruled, dumbass!